Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make email template in Mailchimp step by step. Open Mailchimp, click Campaigns, then choose Email Templates to begin building. Pick a layout, add your logo and brand colors, and insert content blocks for text, images, and buttons. Save frequently and preview in desktop and mobile views to ensure responsive design. Export or use the template directly in Campaigns when ready. Have fun crafting emails. Start by selecting a clean layout and setting brand colors and fonts that match your identity. Use a readable font size and maintain generous spacing for mobile. Insert an eye-catching header image, a clear call to action, and concise body copy that guides the reader. Limit choices to 1 or 2 buttons and maintain consistent alignment. Test the design in preview to catch spacing or truncation issues before sending. Quick pause, if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum voice control. It's oddly satisfying after long editing sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can save time and energy around the house. Thanks for watching, and now let's get back to the video. Write concise, audience-focused copy, and use merge tags to personalize where appropriate. Optimize images for fast loading and add descriptive alt text for accessibility. Include a clear unsubscribe link and comply with email best practices to reduce spam risk. Use Mailchimp's preview and test send features to verify layout and functionality across devices and common email clients. Iterate based on feedback and analytics to improve open and click rates over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.